If I didn't tell you, you would not know. This is a headband wig.
No basics on.
Hey Stush Gang, welcome to another Slay with Stushy. So today I'm actually going to be showing you guys how I achieved this hairstyle. This is a headband wig from Amazon. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I slay this headband wig, then keep on watching. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe down below to join the Stush Gang. We would love to have you. Make sure you watch this video in its entirety because there are usually bloopers at the end of all my videos, so you don't want to miss that. And if you like today's video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and make sure you also comment anything that you have on your mind down below. Let's continue the convo. Before I forget, I want to actually note that my lip combo is my Cola lip liner from Juvia's Place, Fenty Beauty's Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb Cream. I also added a little bit of my Artist Couture Uncensored 2.0 lip gloss. So that's the lip. And lashes today are from my lash business, Caprial NYC. These are the signature lashes, Caprial. So yeah, I'll have all that information linked down below in case you guys are interested in checking out my lip combo or my lashes. Other than that, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Okay ladies, now let's get information. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my stocking cap. Don't judge mine, it's a little beat up, but it works, and you don't see it underneath my wig. So as you guys can see, I already have my hair in braids. My mom braided it for me like a week ago. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this headband wig. This is a 16-inch Jerry curl headband wig. Apparently it's made from 100% virgin human hair. This is the package that mine came in, little pink bag. This is this is the wig. They also sent me the stocking cap. I don't need that. These headband wigs aren't like a lace front or anything like that, so it doesn't really matter. You won't see the stocking cap underneath. She also sent me two headbands. This one is a cute pink floral one. I don't use the headbands that they sent me because they're pretty thin. This is the other one that she sent me. This one is a yellow striped headband. We'll put these to the side. I might actually use this in the summer with my natural hair. I don't think the headbands that they send are big enough to cover the headband that's on the actual headband wig, but that's just my opinion. So let's go ahead and take the wig out of the bag. Okay, and it comes with this net that comes on a lot of wigs. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. It also comes with the paper inside of the wig just to, I guess, keep its form. So this is she's cute. She feels really good. I'm not gonna lie, she feels really, really good. I don't wanna comb out any of the curls as yet because we're gonna get into that shortly. But this is the headband. So as you guys can see, it covers the entire perimeter of the wig. And there is a Velcro strap at the back. You can easily snap your wig in place and secure your wig. And then there are also combs on the inside of the wig. So again, you can secure your wig. You won't feel like your wig is falling off. So what are we waiting for? Let's go ahead and put this wig on. I'm excited to see what it looks like. Let's do it. I'm gonna go ahead and secure the comb in the back of the wig, and I'm gonna actually hook it right underneath my wig cap. Secure the Velcro. And as you guys can see, the headband part at the front is bunched up. So I'm just gonna make sure everything is all stretched out. And this is she's not doing anything right now, obviously. So I'm going to pull her back, secure the comb at the front underneath my wig cap at the front. Still not doing anything, right? Okay. Oh no, I got makeup on it. So this is she's giving cute, she's giving natural, but what I am going to do is make her look a little bit more alive. So I do have some water in a spray bottle here. This is actually the spray bottle that I use for my plants to mist them, but it's just regular water. So I'm going to use this. This pushes out more of a fine mist, as you guys can see. So I brought this, but I also have this spray bottle that I use for my hair as well. This can get a little bit more messy, I'll just say that. So I brought this one out. I have my Style Factor Edge Booster because this is Bay for edges. My 7 Mia comb because I might need that to comb things out, and my edge brush, my edge comb. So I'm just going to go ahead and start to add some water. I should have brought a towel out. And I'm just trying to make sure the water penetrates actual hair. It's not just sitting on top. A little bit of shedding as I run my fingers through it. I'm not mad about it. This is not really centered, so I kind of want to center it like that. What are we thinking? She's cute. I'm not gonna lie, she's kind of cute. I want it to have a little bit more form. I'm not a pro at cutting hair, so I don't know if I want to try. I'm gonna do my edges first. Maybe I'll start to cut a little bit. Okay, the curls are cute. I'm still adding water. By the way, I forgot to mention I got this spray bottle from Amazon. It's linked in my Amazon shop if you guys are interested. Okay, so what I think I want to do is add a little bit of this Curlaid Moisture Butter by Camille Rose. They claim it's 100% human hair, so we're gonna see. Let's see. I'm gonna scrunch it a little bit too. It looked like I know what I'm doing. I promise you I don't, but it's looking good. And I'm trying to spray carefully because I'm not trying to get my mic wet either. Scrunch, scrunch. Okay, she's cute. She's real cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges. Let's do that real quick. Where did I put the daggone edge control? I lost the edge control. How does one lose the edge control? Let's do these edges. Bitch. Okay, so that's the best sis could do with the edges for today. And I actually don't think I'm gonna cut it. So just for shits and giggles, let me try on the headband that they sent me. Girl, I don't like these headbands too because I feel like I get makeup on them. So I really and truly, with the headband wig, I really and truly just prefer the headbands that I could just slip on without it having to go over my head. See, this is not a vibe, sis. Like we don't like the headbands that they send us. They cute for natural hair, but not for these headband wigs. We need something broader and wider and cuter. So I'm gonna go in with, let's see, what headbands do I want to put on today? Today, I'm actually going to put on my headband from the Aquino collection. I got this a while back, black owned business. I'll go ahead and link it down below if you guys are interested. But let me go ahead and pop it on. Okay, that's cute, but I want to hide the band a little bit more. So what I do is I push it back and have the headband sit right on top of it. You guys see that? Y'all see what I just did? So now the only thing that you're seeing is edges. That's cute. So what I'm actually gonna do is change my shirt, put on a lippy, and I'll be back to show you guys the finished product. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. I think it looks really good. It's giving coolie gal. If I didn't tell you, you would not know. You would probably think it's maybe clip-ins or something like that, but I think it looks really good. I will note that the hair feels very soft. I'm gonna be the person to tell you if the hair was feeling hard, okay? It's feeling very soft. It's definitely bouncy. The curls are definitely popping. I think the hair also dries pretty fast as well, so when I spray water on it, it doesn't take too long to dry. So this is good even in the winter time. Like, you don't want to be walking outside with a wet head of hair, so the hair does dry pretty quick. If you were thinking about wearing something like this in the winter, I definitely feel like this is more of a summer style, but I'm gonna be wearing it in the winter because who's clocking me, who's watching me, because it's a vibe. I forgot to mention that the hair retails for $67.59 on Amazon. So again, if you guys would like to check this headband wig out, I'll leave it linked down below in my Amazon shop. Drop some comments down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling with this headband wig. Let's continue the discussion down below. If you haven't already subscribed to join the Stush gang, I hope that after this video, you'll go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below. If you enjoyed it, leave your girl a big thumbs up so that way I know, and make sure you also turn on your post notifications so that way you're alerted whenever I drop the next video on my channel. And that's pretty much all I have for today. Thank you guys for stopping in. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye guys. Hey Stush gang, welcome or welcome back to another. And with that being said, so again, if you guys would like to check this here, So again, if you guys would like to check this headband out, Gloss Bomb Creams, Fenty Beauty's. So let's go ahead and get into this virgin, 100% virgin human hair. So let's go in.